In this video, I'm page. So to do this, you want to open your page and you want to enable editing. And whenever you do this, you have a few options to actually put in a video inside here, okay? So the first one is going to be, you can simply drag and drop it. So if you have a video, you can just go and drag and drop the video in here like this, and it's going to get attached like that, okay? That's the first way to do it. Then the second way to do it is by clicking on the plus button or typing a slash in here, and then you have image, video, or file. Click on that, and then you can upload your video from here. So just find it, for example, this animation I made, click on open, and it's gonna open that video the exact same way as if you were to drag and drop it in here. And then the third way is simply to basically just paste in the link. So for example, I have a link to my YouTube video over here. I can simply paste it in here, and as you can see, it's going to paste it as a preview available video. So that's how to do this. That's how to add videos. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.